In this video, I'm going to illustrate you about house type SH4. It's a small house with 3 bedrooms. First, I will give you the land size. For this, you need 22 feet by 41 feet land. The house footprint will be 20 feet 6 inches by 28 feet 3 inches. In the ground floor, there's a garage just in front of the house, and by the side of the garage there's a living room. Living room is faced to the dining, then dining face to the pantry. But as a service entrance, you can come through this doorway into this pantry, and this is the stairway to go up. By the side of the dining there's a bathroom which is faced towards the stairway. You enter to the toilet underside of the landing. Number of 9-inch by 9-inch column. I will give you the locations. Now I give you the wall thicknesses. In this plan, I'm going to use 9-inch thick walls in the periphery and outside walls. Inside wall will be 4.5. So first I will mark 9-inch wall with blue color. And this will be again a brick column, 9-inch by 9-inch. Now I will mark half-inch brick walls, 4.5-inch thick with pink color. In this plan, the living area will be 14 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. The dining will be 6 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 6 inches. Toilet will be 6 by 4. It's a ground floor powder room kind of a toilet. And the other side, there's a pantry. It's 7.6 by 9 feet 3 inches. For car park, we are using 9 feet 3 inches by 16 feet 5 inches space to park the vehicle. Now I will give you the doors and windows. Sizes I will give you later. The main door will be D1. Kitchen door will be D2. Bathroom door will be D3. For bathroom ventilation, I am using a fan light. For dining, there will be DW. Let's say DW1. Kitchen, we are using W1. The front living, we are using again DW1. Now I will give you the sizes. D1, 3 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. D2, 3 feet by 7 feet. D3, 2 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. DW1, 4 feet 4 inches by 7 feet. It's a French window. W1, 4 feet 4 inches by 4 feet. And fan light, 2 feet 4 inches by 4 feet. Basically, that's it for ground floor. Next, I will explain you about the first floor. To the first floor, you are entering through this staircase. You have to go up. To the upper floor, you are entering through this staircase, which comes from the ground floor. You enter to the family lobby. From the family lobby, you can enter into the 3 bedrooms, and there's a common toilet to the upper floor. The bedroom sizes are 11 feet 3 inches by 9 feet 6 inches, 11 feet by 9 feet 3 inches, then 10 feet 6 inches by 8 feet. The bathroom, basically it's 6 feet by 6 feet, but there's a niche which we are using for keep the TV in the family lobby. Like the ground floor, there will be 9 number of RCC columns like this. Now I will mark the 9-inch thick brick walls in the periphery. So there will be a 3 feet high railing here. Again here, it's a 3 feet high wall. Front again there is a 3 feet high wall. From this column to the periphery column, this will be 3 feet high railing. Now I will give you the doors and windows. All the room doors will be D2, 3 feet by 7 feet. The bathroom door will be D3. Bathroom fan light F. Again, there's a fan light to the family area. We call it F. The bedroom door will be DW1. It's a French window. Front again DW1. It's a French window. There will be 2 windows. We call it W2. So basically this is the ground floor and the upper floor layout. You can see the video and get the clear idea of how it comes with the roof and all. But if you need further clarification, you can send me your email through the comment box. Then I will mail the PDF version of plan to you. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get further plan like this. Thank you.